coffee on the counter, just the way I like it. You never say a word about it, but I see you every time. The morning's still half sleeping, you're already halfway out, and I'm still standing in the kitchen trying to figure out how you hold the whole thing steady with the quiet things you do when I'm barely keeping it together. You just pull me through, and it's not the grand declarations or the words you say at night. It's the way you find me in a static when I've gone quiet, lost the light. It's the hand you don't take back when I'm too tired to hold tight. That's how I know you love me. In the spaces left unspoken, you shine. I left my coat at your place 3 weeks ago. You didn't mention it, just hung it by the door. I found your keys in my jacket, the receipt from a store, the date I didn't mark, you remembered before. And I don't know how you do it, keep the whole world off my chest when I'm too worn to ask for it. You just know the rest. And it's not the grand declarations or the words you say at night. It's the way you find me in the static when I've gone quiet, lost the light. It's the hand that don't take back, and I'm too tired to hold tight. That's how I know you love me. In the spaces left unspoken, you shine. And I've been trying to find the words to say what you already see. You don't need me to perform it, you just need me to be. And it's not the grand declarations or the words you say at night. It's the way you find me in the static when I've gone quiet, lost the light, lost the light. It's the hand that don't take back when I'm too tired to hold out. That's how I know you love me. In the spaces left unspoken,